Planning briefing for Thursday, July 29th. So we're expecting a wind shift to more of a northerly wind on Friday, then more of an easterly wind on Saturday. A lot of the more intense winds will be in the higher terrain across north central Idaho to western Montana. We're also expecting temperatures in the 90s and low 100s Friday, Saturday, with a fairly warm nighttime temperature Friday night, mainly over central Idaho. Then we're expecting excessive rain potential Sunday into Monday. Could be some pretty heavy rain producing showers and thunderstorms across the area. We're expecting mainly wet thunderstorms through this whole period, and gradually kind of a northward progression into the weekend, into early next week. We're expecting gusty erratic winds, lightning, heavy rain with those thunderstorms, and then a pattern change to more of a southwest flow. We've turned some areas to orange, more of a moderate combination of heat, dry. For Friday, high hains, so kind of unstable, especially like the western zone 102. Saturday, combination of kind of like the wind shift, more of an easterly direction. We're still continuing to see hot and dry conditions, maybe some thunderstorms in southwest Montana, and also storms starting to creep up into southern parts of 102, 103 later in the day. And then Sunday, better chance for thunderstorm activity, outflow winds. Northwest Montana could stay dry into the afternoon until the shower thunderstorm activity starts to creep northward. And then Monday, area-wide showers and thunderstorms, higher humidities. You're expecting heavy rainers. Tuesday could stay fairly dry northwest Montana, and also could stay fairly dry in Idaho zone 102. Looking at the satellite, we're seeing for today, Thursday, some shower and thunderstorm activity developing over Lemhi County, the southwest Montana, some of that residual monsoon moisture that has been in the area for the past few days. All right, so this general pattern loop is showing a easterly wave that's moving up from Texas, moves across Nevada, Utah into Saturday, and then starts to skirt just to our west Saturday night into Sunday. That's the initial wave that brings over 200% of normal of moisture, and that's why a lot of these storms are going to be very, very moist. And then you can see the pattern change to more southwest flow next week. Here's another repeat of that loop, showing that wave coming up here. This is Friday morning, Friday afternoon, Friday evening, Friday night, Saturday morning, Saturday, and then with the wave is it's going to be the energy to help provide lift for all those showers and thunderstorms. Another wave kind of moves north and over the region into Monday. That's going to be like the second wave that brings more widespread precipitation across the region. Let's talk about the wind shift. So here's a graphic from the University of Washington, their high-resolution model. It's zoomed in basically over Missoula County to Clearwater County. This is the only kind of zoomed-in image that they have for their model. But this is Friday afternoon, evening, kind of showing you just a northerly wind across the Flathead, Mission, Missoula, Bitterroot valleys. Not overly strong, 5 to 10 miles an hour, maybe some gusts to 15. And that north wind is going to shift to more of an easterly wind Friday night. So we're going to have more of a shift to an east wind Friday night. The thermal belt, the surface trough over Washington, Oregon, Idaho will be enhanced, and then you have the incoming wave. As you can see here, basically east winds 10 to 15, maybe some gusts 15 to 25 on the ridge tops. You know, some of those isolated peaks like 0.6 could see some higher gusts over 30 miles an hour. So this is for Saturday, and the east winds will continue. They probably won't be as strong as they were overnight on the ridge tops. Even some of the valley locations will be able to start to mix down some of that easterly wind. Not overly strong, anywhere from 5 to 10 mile an hour, gusts 15 to 20. In this particular depiction, this model was showing a thunderstorm along Highway 12. It was showing some outflow winds gusting over 35 knots. Not sure thunderstorms are going to be able to make it that far north on Saturday, and I'll talk about that later. And you're probably wondering, what about winds in other locations that we forecast for? It's probably going to be kind of similar area-wide. Some locations may not get much wind, especially if there's some smoke during the day. And we're thinking that some of these winds are actually going to help to clear out some of the smoke, so some areas may be able to warm pretty decently. And then also any thunderstorm activity that moves into the Salmon River Valley or the Salmon River Canyon, southern Idaho County, Saturday afternoon and evening could produce some strong gusty winds along with the heavy rainfall. So expect some southerly or erratic winds in those areas. We're expecting abnormally hot temperatures Friday, Saturday, 90s, low 100s, low temps, 60s, near 70s, especially over central Idaho. Some areas in western Montana could stay fairly mild overnight, but we've had some pretty good recoveries down in the 50s in some locations. So keep that in mind during the day. Lots of water. Try to limit some of your activity, and try to stay indoors if you can. Here are the Friday's forecast, temperatures 90s, low 100s. And then here is Saturday's forecast, very similar. You can start to see some cooling, Lemhi County, southern Idaho County with some influx of clouds, showers and thunderstorms. And then here's some minimum humidities for Friday and Saturday, teens to 20s. Here's the WPC's, or the Weather Prediction Center, excessive rainfall outlook. It's basically showing southern Idaho County and Lemhi County chance of 5 to 10% chance of excessive rainfall leading to rapid flooding, flash flooding, or debris flow. If you're planning on being along the Salmon River Canyon, from Riggins to all along the canyon towards Lemhi County on Saturday afternoon, evening, just keep in mind there could be a few storms that could put down a lot of rainfall, and there could be debris flow that could block your ability to get back on the Salmon River Road. So this is 24-hour probability of greater than a tenth, ending 6 a.m. Sunday, kind of showing that area, southern Idaho County, Lemhi County, southwest Montana. We started seeing an increase of showers and thunderstorm activity on Sunday, especially over north central Idaho, lesser chance across northwest Montana until Sunday night. There's a pretty good chance for greater than a tenth of rainfall on Monday across much of southwest Montana, west central Montana, and then lesser chance as you head westward across north central Idaho. And then Tuesday, still a few showers and thunderstorm activity lingering across the Continental Divide, especially across southwest Montana. There is a few places that could get greater than a tenth on Tuesday. Who is going to see the best chance for greater than half an inch of rainfall? Seems like southern Idaho County, maybe some of the higher terrain of Lemhi County, initially Sunday into Sunday evening. And then looking at like Monday, seems like the higher terrain, Bitterroots, Sapphires, have the highest chance of seeing half an inch. There could be other locations in the valleys that could see greater than half an inch with the thunderstorm activity. 8 to 14 day outlook, we're looking at above normal temperatures favored. Probably could be generally near normal initially after all this rain, then going back to above normal. And also the precipitation outlook is showing below normal. But with southwest flow, we could have a few thunderstorm events. If you have any questions, give us a call.